Yeah, man, active, man. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Alright, okay, gone. Okay, there. Yeah, man. But you hear okay, then you know, say a river trip again, you know, brother. Yeah, man. Okay, there. Okay, then. Yeah, man, so today's another river day. Huh? The what? Yes, Tanisha down there in the water. Doing over there so I catch fish. Alright, fisherman. As a fisherman. As Nigel that said a fisherman. Okay then over there so. Okay then. I have Levan. Yeah man. Outside. And Kelani. None other than Kelani. I'm losing my slippers. Yeah man. Barefoot him a go home man. Barefoot him a go home. Slippers gone boy. That's supposed to be halfway down the river you know. Yeah man. Right now. Yeah man, I already put my foot on already. So well the reason why I never start video because I play some music. We have a little box over there so say me some chicken foot here so make some chicken foot soup. Yeah? Boy, Ricky. Oh, a shopping bag of your belt. What's that? Check out them belt there. New type of belt that man. Yeah? Just grab it and tear it and tight. Yeah man. Yeah man, so today we're going to swim and we'll cook some food. Do a little video see me, yeah man, and showing everything see me. So just stay tuned. Watch the chicken foot. Water run heavy too, you know. Watch it. Yo! No wonder why 11 slippers go a while ago. What is it doing? You catch nothing? Hey, they want to pick. They want to pick. Hey. Hey, Kelani. Make everyone take up some give you. One of the healthiest chicken food in the water. Clean. Clean and nice and thick too.
You know, sometimes you buy chicken foot, the bottom part there.
What? Don't you so?
Yeah.
I don't buy. I don't buy no half a chicken foot. And I pay the same price for it, no? Then suppose somebody, if you buy it now, somebody who like the top part or the bottom part. You understand? That doesn't make no sense. Because some people like up here, so some people like down here. So if you cut off here so and sell me down here, what about up here? So? No, I don't want it. Check out the soup pot. Fire lazy today, I don't know why you're so lazy. Boy, you're not going to drink soup till you're not finished. Soup for days. Some big healthy chicken foot and big like my hunter at it. Yeah man, so we do it, you know. What? Yeah man. I see booze there. Some rum cream. What the fun of one back there? What the fun of truck back there? Look like some farmer creators. Well pile up, you know. Water heavy, you know. And look how long the rain stop for. What is it doing? You don't get none. Yeah, brother, now show your fish when you catch that out of it. Yeah man, just come take up your fish. Man, just grab him up and fling him away. Yeah? In that, I want that fish to take up. Come think I want live fish. So in there. Think I want live fish. Yeah. In there, does I see me? Oh yeah, I see. Fish in the water, look there. Swell up.
Come on, swell.
What the elephant? Tanisha, look here. No, I didn't dead.
Dead.
How big up me want to say them say fish there, brother?
No, that's a fish. must have put them on.
I mean, when you're right.
This fish must be a pound.
I mean, eh? I tell you, man, I check it out. Bigger one good at the end of this side.
What big one in there? Where?
Okay, some pepper.
Need more pepper in there, no?
Pepper then I don't use, man. I just put some kaya. See a big people, you know, I'll kill and we mash that up, you know. Can you mash that up without thinking?
You know, she loves spicy.
Can you mash that up, man?
Oh.
See, you know, just lumpy.
I must have garlic in there, no? That's why it's hard, though. Garlic in there. Because...
I like about it. You know, so salty. Like the other one. Kind of weak skin, but you have the garlic flavor.
Soup pot a bubble.
So if I had it lazy at first,
Chicken foot them healthy too.
then it look like they have to cook.
Right, over there guys we have our Irish potato, but this is not going to the pot for now because it's not easy to cook. I don't want them to mash out. And I'm going to need the flour right now.
Yeah, you kind of look like one old lady, also, you know.
With what?
Big pudding pan in your lap and need
They know
flour.
how I'm supposed to need it. It doesn't matter.
You look like one. You look like my granny.
Yeah, sit down.
Ricky, go buy that piece.
Look, say, nobody agreed to the potato them.
They want me to sweet potato, want them.
Boy, I tell you, it's a good thing so we come here and come cut the river that day. You see all over there, sir? All over there. Alright, you see the bush them there, sir? I saw that's how they were doing, they look.
Yeah,
So it did look. Eh? Oh, you see video, not true? Yeah, man.
I'm going to go back far.
Yeah, man.
Go back far. I ran that far over there.
But you know really, I want to know, 3 weeks hard, you know, since you cut in.
Yeah.
So you know bad, you know bad.
Nobody down home, you see.
Ah. Hey, one time over here, so you're so well maintained, you know. Some one time we just, I come down here, all in the part over there, so you're so clear. Over there, so, we were like,
The person that they again. But all them long grass here, never
after the
see
hurricane, man, you just lose hope.
You come down here, grass always come. Yeah, and it clean and burn the garbage and everything.
That's all good, man.
I never clean that still.
After hurricane, one time we couldn't walk about there, so, right out there, so. Yeah, but you can't do it again. If you can't swim, you can't go there.
Here.
You make flour to baby? Show them how you make your flour. You make a dumpling. Make the dumpling. You go cook early, you know that? You gotta learn to cook early. Hey bro, what dumpling you want? Any amount? No, sir. Eh? You eat half the whole of them, not true? Don't worry, me give you half of my share, live and give you half, and you get paid full share, see me? Alright. So 2 share that, you know?
Right now, I just feel man doing this in my pot.
You want to do it, don't
Feel man doing this already.
you?
I don't know what wrong with them and dumpling, but I feel 2 of them this year. They ain't have no sharing of this. When you come out to eating, they beat it. I sit here, all the dumplings in the pot.
Wait, you don't boil up like first.
Come on, man.
But I get lazy again. Or I'm going to chop up a piece of that one there. Or I put them on it. More in it. Raise it up again. Alright, mama? Alright? Ball, I go again. I'm on the boat land. You see boat land? You see boat land? Right over Portland. I know if I already, you know. I'll breadfruit and things gonna roast night right now. Cocoa. Roast cocoa.
Roast cocoa there. What the cocoa look like it come because I'm
Eat in a bag. I'm gonna put cocoa in a soup. No, sir. Cocoa is fun. I'm gonna put cocoa in a soup. No, sir. They say not even dog need cocoa, so I'm not. It's good. Again, you know, the pan own and I have to run to catch it. Alright, so I mash up my soup, you know, so just a minute. Oh, I'm hungry, sir. You want more soup?
Not good.
Like you're hungry, man. Oh, I put on for Kelly and for cool, you know. Hey, you know how long me that plate here? Long time you have, man. Boy, me I tell you. You have guts, you know. Yeah, man. You have guts, you know.
Take a sleep on the bench and all.
Hey, send the garage to knock you down.
No, the garage is not holy.
Lacaritis.
Carola, they look nice, though. Yo, I want to be scared of him making it. Yeah, man. You can't done, man. Hey, Kelani. How are you, man? Man, you take 2 cow put in there, 1 on the back seat and 1 in the trunk. 3 cow, 1 on the front seat, 1 in the back and 1 in the trunk.
Outside border.
I want some Irish
Yeah.
and one dumpling.
See cup there, use the cup and take it up. How I go wash up?
Next in line, we washing up.
Gun, boy.
But I don't know where it is going to go. It's well over the house to lift me up much less.
Say water lift you up? Well, it look like I eat this feed, you know. Eat some food. Take 2 decent swim. Watch liver and slippers I go down the river. Yeah, man, all of that. So, boy, I'm telling you, take that towel out of the video. You know what kind of towel like that? Eh? Hey, baby. Okay. You know what kind of towel that? What funny towel? Look there. You need to wash that towel, man. Dash away, man. Yeah, people, so until next time, till the next episode. Peace.